Aloha.
Oh, that worked that time.
No.
Okay, so we are in Hawaii after an 8-hour flight from DFW airport. And it's a huge time change because it's like 4 hours behind our normal time. So it's really like, what, 8 o'clock? Almost 8 o'clock we're in Texas, and here it's almost 4.
Fun fact about Hawaii, they say aloha for hello and goodbye, and they do this little pinky thing. I don't know.
What's the pinky thing?
And this guy's like, I'll see you next week, and the guy's like, okay.
Okay, I didn't know that. We'll have to Google that later. A dick. Oh. So we are finally, let's get good lighting. So we're finally at the Black Sand Beach. Come on. Oh. Here we go. Some of the sand here like hurts to walk on because it's either so hot or so rocky, right?
Daddy, can you hold my phone?
Don't scare away the butterflies. There's one that's not moving right now. Oh, not moving. So what do you think of Black Sand Beach?
See the palm trees? It's cool. I just didn't know.
It looks so photoshopped.
Stop.
So we just got back from the Black Sand Beach.
And now we're headed to the volcano.
Isn't that nice? Well, we are going to look at the volcano. And
Oh my god.
yes.
The fumes are eggy. Look, take pictures of it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you kind of what the walk thing looks like. Looks like on this side.
No wonder they took me here.
That's what it looks like on this side. I'm gonna die. Nope, I'm not.
Yeah, I think there was lava here a long time ago.
Last week?
Is it gonna water all over? It's so dark.
Hello! I'm at a goldfish! Courtney! Oh my gosh, it's all my fans! They're real.
Laser Master!
There you go, girl.
Ready? I'm gonna scream. Ready?
That was terrible. Come on. Come on. Hey, Sierra. Guess what kind of car I saw a lot today?
I don't know what.
Red Hyundai. Day. Hyundai.
Why you... What? What? Hello?